Have you ever tried opening an AEXE file on your Mac and seen an error message? Then this video is specially for you. In this video, I'll first explain exactly why .exe files don't work on Mac. Then I'll show you 3 simple and effective methods to run any .exe file smoothly on your Mac. For each method, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process, from downloading, installing, and running exe file. After that, I'll share an important bonus tip, what you should avoid to keep your Mac safe and trouble-free. So stay with me until the end, you won't want to miss any of these solutions. Tried opening an exe files on your Mac and got this error? That's because exe files are built for Windows, and macOS can't run them directly. But don't worry. First method, use crossover. Start by opening a web browser on your Mac. Head over to codeweavers.com/crossover. Click on Download Free Trial or buy the full version, then install Crossover. Once it's installed, launch the app. Create a new Windows environment. In the Crossover dashboard, go to Bottles, then click New Bottle. Give your bottle a clear name. Select the Windows version you want to emulate. Windows 10 usually works great. Hit Create. Now install your Windows application. Select the bottle you just made, then click Install from the bottom left. This opens the Install a Windows application screen. In the search box, type the name of your program if it appears, or choose Install an unlisted application. Select your installer file, browse to your .exe on the Mac, and pick it. Choose the target bottle you created as the environment, then click Install. Follow the on-screen steps just like you would on a Windows PC. Crossover will handle everything smoothly. Second method, use UTM for a complete free Windows setup right on your Mac. Go to mac.getitum.app and download UTM. Install it like any regular Mac app. Open UTM and click Create a new virtual machine. Choose Virtualize Windows, then download the official Windows 11 ISO for ARM. Drag the ISO file into UTM. Allocate about 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Click Start. Then follow the Windows setup process. Pick your language, region, and create an account. To run your AEXE, simply drag the file from your Mac into the UTM window or download it directly inside the virtual windows. Double-click the exe, go through the installation, and you're all set. Your app now runs inside a real Windows environment on your Mac. Third method, Parallels Desktop. This option delivers the best performance and is the easiest for smooth integration. Visit parallels.com and download the free trial. Install Parallels Desktop. It will automatically fetch and set up Windows 11 for you. Just click Continue and wait for the setup to complete. Once you're inside Windows, drag your EEXE file from your Mac straight to the desktop or download it using a browser inside the virtual machine. Double-click the EEXE, complete the installation, and run the program exactly like you would on a regular PC. You get full speed, excellent integration, and it's perfect for demanding software. Quick bonus tip, steer clear of outdated tools like wineskin or questionable AEXE download sites. They often fail on modern macOS versions and can create security risks. If you want to install full Windows 11 on your Mac without bootcamp or any USB drive, I have made a dedicated video on exactly that. You can find it by click the I button or in the end screen. I've also added the link in the description below,